Hey guys, it's your girl Naturally Nata here, and I'm back with another video. So today guys, we are doing another foundation review. I'm going to be reviewing the Milani Screen Queen foundation. This is their newest foundation, and I decided to try it out for the first time on video with you guys today. Of course, this is called the Milani Screen Queen Natural Finish Foundation. This is what it looks like right here, and I have the shade 440 Golden Hazelnut. Today I'm going to be trying this foundation on with you guys, letting you know my thoughts. If you are an OG makeup lover, you definitely know and have heard about, or maybe even have, the Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation. This is their original one, their 2-in-1 Conceal and Perfect foundation and concealer. I love this foundation so much. It's one of the first foundations that I actually purchased. It's very full coverage and it's more on the matte side. So this is like a heavy duty foundation. No joke, some people really don't like it because it's a little bit too much for them. So I am excited to see how these two compare also. I wonder if this one's like more hydrating, more lightweight, because this is like event type foundation. So yes guys, if you're interested in trying this foundation out with me today, you know what to do. Just please stay tuned. But before we get into it, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Just click the red subscribe button below and also that gray bell beside it. Both of them. So you can be notified of any of my future uploads. And yeah, without further ado, I'm ready to try this foundation out. Let's go. Screen Queen foundation. This is a natural finish foundation. It says on the back it provides a luminous natural skin finish, buildable light to medium coverage. Ooh, so that is a lot different than that original one. It says long wearing. So I'm clicking on Milani Cosmetics website and we're gonna see what it says. What is this foundation about? Tell me about it. It says level up your skin's digital defense with Milani's new Screen Queen foundation, created to give you a woke up like this effortlessly perfected skin. This buildable light to medium coverage foundation blends seamlessly and blurs imperfections for an even luminous natural skin finish. So it's made with digital blue light filter technology, first of its kind formula. I have never heard of that, a blue light type of foundation that blocks the blue light. I have heard of glasses like that, because you know I'm a glasses girl. Never heard of a foundation with that type of technology, so that is very unique. It helps fight signs of digital damage, dullness, discoloration, hyperpigmentation to keep your skin on point no matter how much screen time you clock. So it does come in a lot of shades guys, so I'm going to count these real quick because it is a lot. 45 shades guys, 45, just like the last foundation that I reviewed, the NYX Born to Glow. So that's really good, and just from looking at the shade range, it looks amazing. That's a very high step up from this original, because this one does not come in that many shades at all. So like I said, I do have the shade 440 Golden Hazelnut. We're gonna hope that this shade works for me, because my last review, the NYX Born to Glow one, I went a little too dark, and I'm kind of scared that this one might be a little too dark too, but we're going to pray. So this is what the packaging looks like right here. Very cute. I love it. It is glass and it also has a black pump at the top. Like always, I'm going to do one side of my face with a sponge and the other side with a brush. I do have my face moisturized, but we're going to go ahead and prime a bit because that is what I would normally do. Today for my primer, I'm going to use this Tarte Base Tape Hydrating Primer. I got it in one of my recent BoxyCharms actually, and it's sitting right here, so it's going on my face. I do like this though. It is really hydrating. It really feels like a moisturizer more than a primer to me. But my face is feeling, even though I did moisturize my face about 30 minutes ago, my face is still feeling a little dry. I love using a pore filling primer. I just like how it smooths out my skin. So to do that, I'm going to use the Touch in Soul No Problem Primer. This is what this looks like right here. It is a smoothing and pore filling primer. I just have some on the back of my hand right here, and I'm just going to put it in my T-zone area, on my nose, down my smile lines, and on my forehead. So now I'm ready to go in with the foundation. Ooh, I thought I needed to twist it up to make it come out, but I guess not. I don't want to get it on my white shirt, so I'm actually just going to put it on the back of my hand Oh, there we go. I think this will be a good shade match for me. It's looking really nice actually. So I'm just gonna dot it on this side of my face. It might be a little dark. I keep picking summer shades out for myself. I'm just looking forward to summer or something, I guess. And then I'm just gonna take this e.l.f. Total Face Sponge and blend this in. No, that's not too dark. And I'm also going over my eyelid. I'm going over my whole face because we're doing more of a natural look today. Not really much eyeshadow, so yeah, that's a good shade match. Yay! I actually can see how this is more of a lighter coverage because if you, I don't know if you can see, but I still do have like a little bit of my dark spots. I have a couple dark spots on this side of my face and they're still peeking through, which I can't say that I mind that much, especially when you go in with, you know, concealer. And I'm going to be using their concealer, which is pretty good coverage. It'll probably cover that up anyway, but I can definitely see how this is more of a lighter coverage, way lighter than their original foundation. That looks seamless. That just looks perfect. Wow. So for the other side, I'm going to use a brush like I said. Yeah, I think I'm going to use this one right here. This is the BH Cosmetics 123 brush. If you watch my makeup videos, I use a lot of brushes from this collection. This is their like Sculpt and Blend collection or something. It has every single brush that you will ever need in it. These are the brushes that I use like when I'm on camera, or you know, I do use these on other people because they just look so nice and professional and they're so good. BH Cosmetics is an amazing place to get makeup brushes. BTW. A little bit left on my fingers, so I'm just gonna go in with that, still trying to cover that dark spot in the middle of my forehead. That pimple will not go away. It's a pimple scar, really. Yeah, this is some really nice coverage. It's not too much at all. Somebody that, you know, doesn't really like full coverage would really like this foundation. It's very, very like soft. It's very skin-like it says. It has a natural, it does have like that natural skin finish. And I definitely think that this side provided me more coverage because this side I can't see anything, and this side just looks a little bit more see-through, like translucent to me. You can still see a little bit of the you know, dots and stuff on my face underneath, and it's just less intense. This side is definitely more intense. The sponge took away a little bit too much of the product, and this side looks a little bit more dewy, a little bit more hydrated. It looks more fresh and healthy in my opinion. I definitely like the brush side more. This is the brush side. This is the sponge side. This side just looks more radiant to me. This side looks a little bit duller. What do y'all think? Am I tripping? I'm going to go in with a little bit of their concealer and show you how the concealer and the foundation look together, and then I'll go off camera and finish the rest of my makeup. So this is the Milani Conceal and Perfect Longwear Concealer. I have the shade 145 Warm Beige, and I'm not going to go in with too much because I am going for something a little bit more natural today. Now I'm just going to take my sponge right here and I'm going to blend this out. See maybe a little bit of my spots, you know, a little bit of dark spots peeking through, but I still feel flawless. Like I don't need that, you know, extreme amount of just blankness where you can't see anything on my face to feel flawless. I feel like this looks really beautiful and really nice. I'm definitely happy with this so far. This is really cute, really good, and it's like $13.99. I got mine from Ulta. You can get it on their website. You can get it at Target actually. Some Targets. It's not at my Target, but it is sold at Target too. I like it a lot. Good price point. nice coverage, definitely not full coverage. Them to come out with something like this more natural, I think it's perfect complement to the foundation that they already have. So yes, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up the rest of my makeup. I'm gonna set my, set my face, do a little bit of eyeshadow, bronzer, blush, lips, lashes, and I will be back to show you the final. All right guys, so this is the finished look. I am completely done, and wow, I am loving the way that my face looks. Like, it looks very, very flawless. And the great thing is, I did use a lot of Milani products to complete this look. I used their setting powder, I used their medium deep powder to set my entire face. I used their highlighter palette, which is this glow. I used their lip liner. Milani has just so many great products. This Screen Queen foundation is just another banger from Milani. Milani is just a really good brand. One of my favorites, really, from the drugstore, and that's why I really wanted to try this out, and I'm so glad that I did, because it's absolutely beautiful. Done with this review. My final thoughts are, I absolutely love it. It's so beautiful, and I cannot wait to continue using this. This is something for every day and for something for going out. It's like universal. You don't have to wear a super heavy duty matte full coverage foundation even when you're going out. This is something that I would wear either way. I would wear it out, I would wear it every day, I would wear it whenever, whatever. So that's the really good thing about this foundation. It's perfect for any occasion. I have absolutely zero complaints as of now, but of course we'll see how this wears throughout the rest of the day. It's a really good second foundation for Milani, coming out with something more natural and lighter coverage and more everyday type of foundation. So right now it gets 2 thumbs up for me. But